उसको वेरीफाई करके 700 लोगों को ये कॉम्पनसेशन दे दें। पॉइंट ये है कि कोरोना में कितने लोग मरे, सरकार को कोई रिकॉर्ड नहीं। कितने किसानों की मृत्यु हुई, सरकार को कोई रिकॉर्ड नहीं। और कारण यह है कि आप थोड़ा सा कॉम्पनसेशन, मतलब लाखों करोड़ रुपए की बात नहीं हो रही है, थोड़ा सा कॉम्पनसेशन इन लोगों को नहीं देना चाहते हो। जब ये शहीद हुए, पार्लियामेंट में आपने इनको 2 मिनट की मौन व्रत नहीं दी। तो ये मैं यहां कहना चाहता था कि एक्चुअली ये गलत है। सरकार के पास रिकॉर्ड है, और अगर वो चाहते हैं तो ये हमारी लिस्ट ले लें और ये 700 लोगों को कॉम्पनसेशन दे दें।
We'll take questions now. We'll bring it.
अंग्रेजी कर देते हैं। Question was asked in Parliament as to whether the government is going to compensate 700 farmers who passed away, who were martyred. And government answered that we have no record of any of these people. We have no record of these 700 people. As it turns out, we did some homework, and we have 403 people who the government of Punjab has compensated 5 lakh rupees each and has given jobs to. 100 and how many people are given jobs?
152.
152 have been given a job.
And rest are being given.
We also have another list, which is this one, where we have 100 names of other people, not in Punjab, from other states. And there is a third list, which is public information of names, addresses, phone numbers. It can easily be verified. So this list exists. But the government insists on saying that such a list does not exist. What is the purpose? These people have died as a result of the agitation. We are not talking about billions of dollars, thousands of crores of rupees. We are talking about minimum compensation for the sacrifice they have made. Prime Minister himself has said that he has made a mistake. He has apologized to the nation. Well, as a result of that mistake, 700 people have died. Now you are lying about their names. Why? Why don't you have the decency to give them what is their due? The government of India should pay their compensation and help these families.